fully automatic front-load washing machine, and that is ideal for families with 6 to 8 members. The machine comes with 15 quick wash programs to cater to the laundry needs of Indian homes. The LED display panel comes with child lock facility. It has a maximum rotational speed of 1200 RPM that delivers efficient cooling with high spin speed and faster drying time. The washing machine comes with an Eco Drum Clean technology that automatically removes detergent residues from the drum to avoid unpleasant odors from forming. This ensures a hygienic, clean wash every time for your clothes. The Eco Bubble feature protects the color and texture of your clothes by delivering a powerful but gentle cleaning performance. Detergent is turned into bubbles so that it quickly penetrates into fabric and removes dirt easily. Digital inverter technology uses strong magnets for a quieter and more powerful performance. It consumes less energy. For the ultimate convenience, Eco Drum Clean technology keeps your front-load washer fresh without using harsh chemicals. It can even notify you automatically when it needs cleaning. Smart Check is an automatic error monitoring system. Using a smartphone app with Wi-Fi connection, it detects and diagnoses problems at an early stage. It then provides quick and easy solutions. This washing machine comes with brand warranty of 2 years on product and 10 years on motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
The smart and easy way to do your laundry. Samsung Digital Inverter Eco Bubble Washing Machine. It comes in 8 kg capacity range. It features digital inverter technology, Eco Bubble, diamond drum, and ceramic heater. The inbuilt digital inverter motor rotates smoothly and consumes less energy, while a non-inverter motor rotates with resistance, causing noise and vibration. It delivers superior energy efficiency, minimal noise, and long-lasting performance. The Eco Bubble technology uses a bubble generator, which dissolves detergent into the water and injects air to produce a rich soapy cushion. With this technology, the detergent better dissolves into the water and quickly penetrates into fabric. The bubbles minimize fabric damage and provide powerful cleaning, even at low temperatures. With its diamond drum, you can wash with gentle fabric care. The diamond drum's unique, soft curl design with smooth, diamond-shaped ridges is supremely gentle on your clothes. Its small water exit holes also help protect fabric by preventing clothes from becoming trapped. With its ceramic heater, your washer will be around for years to come. It's more durable than conventional heaters by efficiently maintaining its thermal conductivity. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Eco Bubble Washing Machine.